A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once, a clever and cunning man was passing through a village. He saw the people there were simple. These people are so simple that I can easily make money if I try, he thought. The cunning man went to a rich man. He seems to be a fool to the cunning man. He started praising him. Sir, you are a very handsome person. I can't tell you how glad I am to see you. I have heard a lot about you. That you are a man of great generosity. The rich man became happy and told his wife to bring 10 bags for rice for his friend. The cunning man thanked him and started to praise him again. What a noble face you have. Men like you are very rare. You shine like a moon in the sky. The rich man again told his wife to bring 500 rupees. The cunning man again thanked the rich man and requested to recite a verse in the rich man's honor. He sang, "You have a face that shines so bright. I am grateful to God to show you in my life. You are someone so dear. Please come and be near." Stars twinkle only for a few hours. Roses bloom only for a few days. Rivers flow only for a few months. But your glory, nobleman, shines forever. The rich man became very happy and told his wife to get 2 silk shirts. The cunning man thought to himself, how easy it was to make a fool of this stupid rich man. After a few minutes, the cunning man asked, "Sir, your wife has not come yet." The rich man told him that he was unmarried and that he does not have a wife. The cunning man asked about his gifts. As he made the rich man happy. On this, the rich man said, "You have made me happy with your words. I made you happy with mine. The poor cunning man was fooled by the rich man. The cunning man had been tricked, and the rich man laughed at him. The city dweller who was clever and cunning realized that the villagers were not as simple as they looked.